Welcome to the Autopulse NXT Resuscitation System in-service video series. This multi-part series provides detailed information about the Autopulse NXT mechanical CPR device and its functionality. This series serves as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the user guide available at ZOLL.com. Proper use of the system requires a thorough understanding of the product, appropriate training, and practice. The Autopulse NXT Resuscitation System is a mechanical CPR device that delivers patient-customized, high-quality circumferential compressions that compress the entire thoracic cavity. It is indicated for use as an adjunct to manual CPR on adult patients only in cases of clinical death as defined by a lack of spontaneous breathing and pulse. The Autopulse NXT Resuscitation System must only be used in cases where chest compressions are likely to help the patient. Autopulse NXT is intended for use on patients who have a chest circumference between 30 and 56 inches or 76 and 142 centimeters, a minimum chest width of 9.8 inches or 25 centimeters, and a maximum weight of 400 pounds or 181 kilograms. We will explore the device's functionality and how to prepare Autopulse NXT for use in the other modules in this series.